Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you connect your account with Outlook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to connect your ShopPay account with Outlook, you just simply have to open your ShopPay application. And after opening the ShopPay application, you will get to see a bunch of options. Among them, you just simply have to select this paper-like icon at the bottom. Simply tap there, and after that you will get two options. You just simply have to choose this option of connect account. Tap into that, and then you will get to see this connect Outlook. Just simply tap to connect Outlook, and after tapping into there, it will open your browser, and in here you just simply have to sign in with your Microsoft account in this page. Now after doing that, tap to next button, and you have to send notification into your device. Just simply approve your login, and after approving the login, your account of ShopPay will successfully be connected with Outlook. This way, you can easily connect your ShopPay with Outlook. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.